Y'all, we are about to take my bedroom from looking like this with the light on to looking like this with the light on. So, how did we get started? Amazon. That is where I started. I got this ceiling fan from Amazon. I can't remember how much it costs right now, but I will have that information on the screen and I'll put the links in case you're interested in it. I put the ceiling fan together myself. Well, for the most part, you'll see in a second that we have a guest star in today's video. But overall, it was pretty simple to put together. I like building things as long as I'm like physically capable of building it. I like doing it. I don't have a lot of upper body strength, so I can't lift certain things. But other than that, things just feel like a puzzle to me. So I like building furniture and stuff like this. So I always start with laying out all of the pieces and then looking through the instructions to see how I want to start everything. So with this, I had to like take all these screws off and then put the fan on top of the holes and then screw the individual like fans into the main part. The first one was pretty easy and the second one was pretty easy too. But I don't know what happened with this third one, but the third one gave me a lot of issues. It was like you had to fit it in the groove, like just like the perfect way. And it took me like multiple attempts to get that third one. So just wanted to include this in case you do get this yourself. Maybe it was a, operator error, but I was having issues with it. I finally got it, but then the other parts were giving me issues. And by that time, our special guest had arrived. You can see his hand there. Write in the comments who you think that is. But I don't know. Maybe it's like the independent woman in me, but I like being able to prove to myself that I can do certain things. So even though I had help here, I was reluctant to let someone help me. But I am learning that I can't do everything. And sometimes it's just faster to have someone help you. So introducing Daddy. If you thought it was my dad, you were correct. When I say daddy, is that weird to y'all? One time someone left a comment saying like it's weird that I'm a grown woman and I call him daddy. And I'm like, well, what do you want me to call him? I'm from the South, okay? Like I'm from an area where 65-year-old men still call their daddies daddy. So yeah, sorry if that bothers you, but that's what I call him. So the ceiling fan is going in my bedroom. We had to clear off my bed, and then I, quote unquote, helped him take the mattress off. If you see, I'm not really doing anything, but that's okay. I was mainly the project manager for this process, which is a very important job. We had to like remove the slacks from my bed. My room is really small, so we didn't really have room to move my bed anywhere. So we just had to move the slacks. And I don't have a dresser. A lot of my clothes are just under my bed because it has built-in storage. So we had to slide the dressers out of the way, and from there we could get started. So I'm not confident I could have done this by myself. Daddy has done ceiling fans before. I guess I could have figured out the wiring part, even though that makes me a little nervous. But when he handed it to me, it was a little heavy. So I don't know if I could have done it by myself. So I'm glad that he was here. My parents came to visit me for a weekend, and while we were here, they helped me with the ceiling fans. And by they, I mean Daddy, because Mama was working.
Ooh, he lining up. Okay, oh, they made two holes. Okay. Okay, let's see.
So Daddy is a very like handy person. He fixes things all the time, but there was some issue going on where the bracket from like the old ceiling fan, those holes weren't aligning with the bracket of the new ceiling fan. So he is trying to figure out how to make it work, I guess, without doing too much extra work. Yeah, so this is where our troubles started to happen. So he was confused. I was definitely confused because I was like, don't look at me. I don't know what to do. I was just handing him stuff whenever he asked me to. Handed him the ceiling fan, handed him screwdrivers, the power drill, whatever he needed. But, that's my job as a project manager, and to keep everyone even headed. So this thing, I don't know what that is, like a pack. He called it a pack, but I thought that he would have put it on before doing the ceiling fan, but apparently it it was large in the way it was. I'm trying to figure out how to explain it. He didn't think that there was enough room to put it on before putting the ceiling fan on. So this is where another set of issues happened, and there was a lot of back and forth during this process. Eventually, I think he realized that he needed to take the ceiling fan off, and maybe I gave this suggestion, but to take the ceiling fan off and then put that pack in. So that's what we ended up doing. And from there, things started to go more smoothly. And just wanted to say thank you so much, Daddy, for helping me, because I don't really think that I could have done this by myself. Maybe if I had been able to do it by myself, it would have taken me a lot longer. This was maybe an hour process. Again, we ran into some issues. Yes. We ran into some issues. There was some colorful language used. But I think it took an hour to do this, and it would have taken me way longer. And as you can see, it worked. So I originally bought this ceiling fan for downstairs in my office, but then I realized that the ceiling fan in my bedroom, it was so dark that I wanted to put the new one in my bedroom, and I put the old one in my office. So I probably would have gotten a bigger one if I had realized that I was going to put it in the bedroom anyway. And look at this. Look at how fast that fan gets. You see it shaking? That's at level 6. So I don't think you need to have it at level 6. It honestly scares me a little bit to have it at level 6. So I don't do it above level 3. Ta-da! And this is my room during the day. So as you can see, it's a big difference. Even during the day, when I have my blinds closed, it's a big difference as far as adding light into the room. And it does come with this remote, so you can control the speed of the fan. You can control the temperature of the light. You can increase the brightness or lower the brightness. You can also set it on a timer. Then those buttons, I think they control the direction of the air. So if you want it pointed towards the ceiling or if you want it pointed towards you. And on the side, it has this button so that every time you click a button, it makes a beep. I usually have it off. I just did it so that you could see it in the video. It also comes with an attachment so that you can mount it to the wall. I was lazy and only did one screw. But don't be like me and don't be lazy. So this is just a little bit of footage that I got from downstairs in my office. So as you can see, it didn't have a ceiling fan, and it gets so hot in the office in the summer times because I have really big windows in here. So I wanted a ceiling fan. So Daddy took down the light, and then it was a much simpler process to put the ceiling fan in this room. So this took all of 20 minutes to do. But yeah, I really enjoyed the change. I love having light in my bedroom. And thanks again, Daddy, for helping me out. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.